Have you ever wondered how a single idea, born out of necessity, could revolutionize the way we think about remote work and make millions in the process? In 2015, when a severe snowstorm hit the northeastern United States, paralyzing cities and isolating millions in their homes, a tech-savvy entrepreneur named Mark Harris saw an opportunity. Unable to leave his apartment, Harris brainstormed ways to bring local services to people in similar situations. Within days, he developed a platform called SnowGo, which connected housebound residents with freelancers who could offer everything from virtual tutoring to remote IT support. The platform's success was immediate, users skyrocketed, and SnowGo expanded its services globally, turning Harris's Snowstorm confinement into a multi-million-dollar remote work empire.